In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build Getresponse. We will set up a simple website, connect it to a domain or a free subdomain, publish it, create a contact list, and then build an autoresponder message so you can start automating follow-ups. Start by logging into your Getresponse account and heading to the Tools area. From Tools, choose Website Builder. This is where you can quickly create a site without needing to code. Once you are in the Website Builder, click Create Website, and then choose the option to use a ready-made template. Templates help you move faster because the layout is already designed, and you can edit the text and images to match your brand. Take a moment to browse the template library and select one that fits your goal, such as a landing page style for collecting signups or a simple business page. When you find the one you want, click Edit. Inside the editor, you can adjust sections, replace placeholder content, and make sure your page communicates clearly. Keep your headline simple, and if you have a call to action, make it obvious and easy to find. When you are ready to move forward, click Next to connect to a domain. At this point, you can either enter a domain name you already own or choose a free Getresponse subdomain. Using a free subdomain is a good option if you are publishing quickly or testing a new idea. If you use your own domain, make sure you type it carefully so your site goes to the correct address. After your domain option is set, click Publish. This makes your website live, so it is worth doing a quick final check for spelling, links, and overall layout before you publish. Next, you will create a place to store your subscribers. Go back to Tools, choose Contacts, and then select Create List. Give your list a clear descriptive name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to run multiple campaigns. Now it is time to automate your first email. Go to Tools again, choose Autoresponders, and click Create Autoresponder. Set the day of cycle to 0, which means the message will send immediately when someone joins your list. Click Design Message and choose a template. Customize the subject line and content, keep it focused, and include a clear next step for the reader. Finally, click Next, then save and publish. Your website is live, your list is ready, and your autoresponder is active. That covers everything you need to know.